The Great Roman Civilization. Hello friends. Today, we are going to travel back in time to learn about the Great Roman Civilization. Let's begin our journey through ancient Rome. The origins of Rome. Long, long ago, more than 2,700 years ago, a city was born beside the river Tiber in Italy. According to a famous story, twin brothers, Romulus and Remus, founded the city. A kind wolf took care of them when they were babies. Later, Romulus built a city on one of the 7 hills. And he named it Rome. That's how the story of Rome began. The Roman Republic. At first, Rome was ruled by kings. But the people wanted to choose their own leaders. So, they created a new system called the Republic. In a republic, people vote to elect their leaders. The Romans were among the first to try this kind of government. Just like we have in many countries today. The Roman Empire. Over time, Rome became stronger and larger. It conquered many lands in Europe, Africa, and Asia. The Republic turned into an empire, ruled by powerful emperors like Julius Caesar and Augustus. Rome became the heart of a huge and powerful world. Roman houses and clothes. Rich Romans lived in big houses called domus, pronounced domus. They had gardens, courtyards, and colorful wall paintings. Poor families lived in small apartments called insulae, pronounced insulae. Men wore long white robes called togas. Women wore beautiful dresses called stolas. Everyone loved to wear sandals because Rome was sunny and warm. Roman food. Romans enjoyed simple but tasty food. They ate bread, cheese, fruits, olives, and honey cakes. Wealthy people loved big feasts. They even ate while lying on couches. They drank grape juice or wine from clay cups. Yum! Roman roads and buildings. Romans were amazing builders and engineers. They built strong stone roads that lasted for hundreds of years. They also built bridges, aqueducts, and grand temples. The most famous building is the Colosseum, where people watched games and shows. Even today, we still use Roman ideas in buildings and cities. Roman entertainment. Romans loved fun and excitement. In the Colosseum, people watched gladiator fights, chariot races, and plays. Children played with dolls, wooden swords, and toy chariots. Entertainment was an important part of Roman life. Gods and religion. Romans believed in many gods and goddesses. They worshipped Jupiter, the king of gods, Juno, the goddess of women, and Mars, the god of war. People prayed in beautiful marble temples. Later, Romans began to follow Christianity, which spread all across the empire. Roman culture and achievements. Romans were great thinkers and creators. Their language, Latin, became the root of many modern languages, like Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. Roman laws and ideas about justice shaped many countries' legal systems. Roman engineers built bridges, domes, aqueducts, and strong roads that lasted for centuries. They were truly brilliant builders. Map of ancient Rome. Here's a map of Italy and the Mediterranean Sea. Can you see Rome marked with a red dot? Rome was the center of trade and travel. That's why people said, all roads lead to Rome. The fall of Rome. But after many years, the Roman Empire grew too big to control. There were problems, corruption, heavy taxes, and weak emperors. Germanic tribes attacked from the north. In 476 CE, the Western Roman Empire collapsed. But the Eastern Empire, called the Byzantine Empire, continued for another 1,000 years. The legacy of Rome. Even though the empire fell, the Roman spirit still lives on. Our laws, languages, and governments were all shaped by Rome. Buildings like stadiums, churches, and capitals still use Roman arches and domes. And the idea of citizenship and civic duty comes from the Romans too. Conclusion. So friends, the story of Rome teaches us that people, ideas, and inventions can change the world forever. The Romans built, dreamed, and created, and their legacy still shines today. Thank you for learning about the great Roman civilization. Hit the like and subscribe button below. Bye.